ClickBank affiliate marketing sales funnel for beginners. Hey, want to make money with ClickBank but don't know where to start? I've got you covered. Today I'm going to reveal a simple ClickBank sales funnel that beginners can use to earn commissions on autopilot. Stick around, because at the end, I have a special resource that will make this even easier for you. Imagine waking up to commissions while you sleep. Sounds great, right? With the right sales funnel, it's not just a dream, it can be your reality. Let me show you how. Sales funnel basics. A sales funnel guides potential customers from curiosity to purchase. For ClickBank, it's typically 1. Lead magnet, a freebie to capture attention. 2. Bridge page builds trust and introduces the product. 3. Offer page where they buy and you earn. Let's break this down. Building your funnel. Step 1, create a compelling lead magnet, like a free guide. Step 2, design a bridge page to introduce the product and build trust. Step 3, direct them to the offer page, making it easy for them to buy. Simple, right? Pro tips: test your pages, use follow-up emails, and always add value. These steps can significantly boost your conversions. Want to skip the hassle and have a funnel set up for you? Click the link in the description to check out a Fiverr gig that does it all, ready to make multiple commissions. Don't wait. Click the link below and start earning with ClickBank today. And if you enjoyed this, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips.